Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are working with fractions with a problem related to TEKS 3.7a, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got Layla. She's walking 1/2 of a mile from her home. And we need to find which number line best represents that. And specifically, we're looking at point K. And we see that point K is in a different position in all four of these number lines. And they all go from 0 all the way up to 1. Now, what's different about this is that each of these only has one point, that K. It's not broken up into halves or fourths or thirds or sixths or eighths or anything like that. So we're going to need to do a little bit of thinking in order to solve this problem. Now, there's a few ways we can solve this. I'll show you several different ways we can do this. First, if we wanted to change each of these into fractions, each of these number lines into fractions, there's a way we can do that, right? So we don't necessarily know how far it is from 0 to k right there. But what we can do is we can take any number line and we can cut it in half. All right, so I'm going to visually just estimate that I'm going to cut it in half right here. So if I cut it in half right there, then I can say this is 1/2 of my number line, right? And then this is another half of my number line. And then what I have learned is that if I take half of a half, and that seems to be right where that point K is, that's going to be 1/4. And so that's going to be important for us to remember that when we take a half and we cut the half in half, you end up getting 1/4 because 2/4 is equal to 1/2. And so we could say, all right, so this point K right here, that's going to be 1/4. And so we could do the same thing with B. Obviously, that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for 1/2. And if I were to do that same thing, if I were to cut it in half, it looks like I'm going to land right where I want to. So I'm thinking B is going to be my answer, but let's double check C and D. It's going to be past 1/2, so I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to take my 1/2, and now I'm going to cut each half in half. And as you can see, it looks like I'm landing on my point K. So what this is 1/4, 2/4. Looks like that point K right here is going to be 3/4. And then finally, I've got D. Well, it doesn't need to be broken up. It's right on that 1 mile. So I mean, if we wanted to make it fourths, we could say it's 4/4, but we could also say it's 2/2 or it's 3/3, right? You don't really need a fraction since that point K is on the endpoint, right? So I am thinking it is going to be B. What are some other ways we could have solved this? Okay, well, let's erase this, right? And let's just say we're going to start over. How could we solve this? Well, we could use our number sense. So our number sense is going to let us know about where halfway is going to be. And we could visually just kind of break it up and we can say, well, what's halfway between 0 and 1? And we can just visually break that up to 1/2. And we can also eliminate two answers. Now, this is where we could use our number sense to at least eliminate two answers because we know that 1/2 is going to be halfway in between. So even if we were, let's say we were kind of, struggling between A and B, even though B is clearly halfway in between, we could have eliminated K because it's not halfway in between, and K on D, and then we could have eliminated this K on C because it's closer to 1 than it is to 0. And then we could have used that same idea saying, well, this K right here on A is closer to 0 than it is on 1. So we could have used that sense of spatial reasoning to say, well, it can't be closer to the 1 or closer to the 0. Definitely can't be on the 0 or on the 1. It needs to be halfway in between. The only one that really works with that is B. So Layla's distance is 1/2 mile from her home. That is going to best be represented by B.